Hi, and welcome to today's Tax and Business Matters. I'm your host, May Watson. Let us continue our discussion on the most overlooked tax deductions. Alright, let's begin. Number 4 in the most overlooked tax deduction is job hunting costs. If you're among the millions of unemployed Americans who were looking for a job in 2010, keep track of your job search expenses. If you're looking for a position in the same line of work, you can deduct job hunting costs as miscellaneous expenses if you itemize, but only to the extent that the total of your miscellaneous itemized deductions exceed 2% of your adjusted gross income. Job hunting expenses incurred while looking for your first job don't qualify. Deductible job search costs include, but aren't limited to, food, lodging and transportation if your search takes you away from home overnight, cab fares, employment agency fees, costs of printing resume, business cards, postage, and advertising. Most overlooked tax deductions. Number 6. Moving expenses to take your first job. As we just mentioned, job hunting expenses incurred while looking for your first job are not deductible. But moving expenses to get to that position are, and you get this write-off, even if you don't itemize. To qualify for the deduction, your first job must be at least 50 miles away from your old home. If you qualify, you can deduct the cost of getting yourself and your household goods to the new area, including 16.5 cents per mile for driving your own vehicle for a 2010 move, plus parking fees and tolls. Number 7. Military reservists' travel expenses. Members of the National Guard or Military Reserve may tap a deduction for travel expenses to drills or meetings. To qualify, you must travel more than 100 miles from home and be away from home overnight. If you qualify, you can deduct the cost of lodging and half the cost of your meals, plus 55 cents per mile for driving your own car to get to and from 2010 drills. In any event, add parking fees or tolls, you get this deduction, regardless of whether you itemize. Number 8. Health insurance deduction to reduce self-employment tax. Business owners have always been allowed to deduct health insurance premiums for themselves and their family. This is, in computing adjusted gross income, on the front page of Form 1040. For 2010, they can also deduct the cost of those health insurance premiums in calculating self-employment tax on Schedule SE. The IRS has hidden this write-off on line 3 of Schedule SE. On that line, you are told to add your self-employment income from lines 1 and 2. Subtract the amount claimed on line 29 of Form 1040, your health insurance premiums, and enter the net amount on line 3. That's about it for today's Tax and Business Matters. Join me again next time as we continue to find out more about the most overlooked tax deductions. You can visit us online at www.howtodouryourowntaxes.com. Once again, this is May Watson, saying, nothing happens unless first a dream. Till next time, goodbye for now.